Welcome everyone to the Austin Media Center. Here we are in Control A. We have 3 control rooms and 3 studios. The way we built this facility is primarily around flexibility. Any control room can control any studio or all of the studios. So we wanted to make sure that we could be as flexible as possible and have as many tools and options available. That's why we really invested in robust infrastructure. We implemented from Clearcom their Eclipse Brain and their FreeSpeak wireless system. And we actually put the resources behind making sure that we had enough antenna base stations throughout the entire facility so that comms weren't just limited to production, because we do so much more than production here. And all of those functions require people to communicate with other people in real time. So we have a comm system that is supporting studio production while at the same time it can be supporting an event across the facility, all on the same system, able to talk to each other. So it has been a tremendous jump in our ability to support these shows, to support these events, to communicate with each other in real time. It has been absolutely fantastic. Thank you for joining us at the Austin Media Center. We're really looking forward to all the amazing things we can do here.